fine. Actually, I just wish I had a little bit more time with her. This is one troubled teen. Really? Okay, great. Well, then I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for that. Well, I have the day off. What do you got going on? Supposed to have school. Oh, really? School? I like to learn. Come on, let's go to the movies. I'll have me running. You know,
Do you like that, Sandy?
with the Usher boys sneaking back
Hmm?
on